Hi everyone, this is Louise from Gypsy Rose Divination. Welcome to another flower healing and channeling session. If you've not seen me do this before, I'm like channeling spiritual information from nature spirits through the plants and flowers, and sending you with the, well, not me, I'm not sending you, but the deva, or the spirit of the flower of the plant, is sending you distant healing. So today I've got another postcard. It's another RHS, Royal Horticultural Society postcard, and it's the lovely red hot poker, vibrant red hot poker, shown with some salvias here, nor kniphofia, which is a bit difficult to say. So I'm going to channel, hopefully. All I need you to do is to relax, get rid of your distractions, switch off your phone, and set the intent to receive the healing from myself, Louise, with love and gratitude. And all I'm going to do is set up the intent to send the healing to you. So what I want you to get comfortable now, and I will set the intent to send the healing to you or anybody that watches this video at any point in the future. We don't need to have the real flower with us. We can work with any postcards, photos, or even just the intent, because the nature spirits are all around us. They can work with us energetically at a distance. Okay, so I'd just like you to relax now. And I'm going to set the intent to send distant healing through the channel of the deva of the red hot poker flower, for anybody watching this video now to receive, or at any point in the future, with love, peace and gratitude. So I may talk for a bit, I may go quiet. There's different stages in the healing. I'm getting a lot of energy from this, a lot of a tingling in my hand from this photo. Now the deva, or the spirit of this flower, wants me to make me aware of the fact that, of course, it's the flower is we're pointing right upwards here, but at the same time the petals, which are quite unusual, they point downwards. So it's like we're needing spiritual guidance from the source at the same time as needing grounding. So this is sort of an all-purpose flower. We're getting everything at once. This is very much about courage. Now we've got the yellow going into the orange, and then we'll get the red. Some of it's browny green, some hasn't flowered, some might be going over. Very much this time of year. Then the red hot poker, a lot of heat and passion and energy and creativity with this flower. So if you're drawn to this flower, then I feel that we do need the courage and the energy and the passion in our life, and we're seeking it from our spirit team, our guides, but there's a need to get grounded because the petals are pointing downwards to the earth. So I feel that we might be a bit stuck, literally stuck, and it's almost like we need literally a red hot poker. We need a rocket up our backside, but we're actually requesting the rocket up our backside because we know that we are fed up and we want to get on with our lives. And the great part about being connected to spirit and being grounded. We've got an all-purpose. This is an all-purpose flower. So the bits where the flower hasn't is a bit green, it hasn't, it's still quite balanced. There's a bit of balance there. So we've been trying to get in balance, get ourselves sorted out in our lives, but then once we've sorted ourselves out in our lives, we're ready for that injection of passion. So you probably, if you're attracted to this red hot poker, you're probably a very creative person. You perhaps got a creative block. You've lost your mojo. This is probably the flower for people that paint and draw and are musical. Also good if you've been feeling depressed or down. Also the need for heat. This is the sort of flower that it's like wanting to go to warmer places. I know it's August, most of the world it's hot, but we're needing that heat. But it's going to naturally go cooler soon towards the end of the month. We're going into autumn because we can see we've got the autumnal colours coming in here. So we just got to go with it, enjoy the heat while it's here. And this is the time to have the passion, to find the injection of passion. But you can ask your spirit team, your spirit guides, to help you get back on your creative mojo. So we've got the yellow, the thoughts and the ideas, the orange is the creativity, and it'll eventually go into the red, which is the actual urge and the passion for whatever it is you need in your life right now. So enjoy this time, because this is the right time to find your mojo again. I'll just send one bit of more final bit of healing just for some energy. If you've been feeling tired and listless, I hope you're feeling more energized and creative after watching this. Okay, I'm just going to move the energy backwards now, so I'd like you to do the same. Just come back slowly and ground yourself.